So here's a bit of a technical sewer myth or fact.
Okay.
On every building that has a sewer in the city of New York, you see these U-bends on the side of the house, and you see this plate, this round plate with holes in it. So here's my question.
Okay.
Is that a sewer gas outlet, or is that a fresh air inlet?
Okay. So at first I thought it was to let sewer gas out. But being out on the field with our guys, our crew, I learned it's a fresh air inlet.
Okay, you know that. Now, next question. Why do you need a fresh air inlet? What's the reason for that?
So when we have a sewer trap, our sewer trap mostly is a U. And if there's no air flowing through there, all of the sewage stays stagnant in that U shape. And that water being stagnant there creates a disgusting, nasty smell.
You know, that was a good try, but I'm gonna not.
No?
I'm not letting you fly on that one.
Okay.
This is really why it's a fresh air inlet, because air has to displace the liquid so the liquid flows properly. Now that might be hard to envision, but I'm going to give two examples.
Okay.
Sorry to point at you. The one is if you're drinking a soda or a beer out of a bottle, you always leave an opening on the top of the bottle when you're drinking to let air in so your drink can flow into your mouth properly. That's what a fresh air inlet does. Now, the second easy visual example of what a fresh air inlet does is here's a straw and water. Let me cover the top. Let me lift it up. And the water does not flow out. Why do you need a fresh air inlet? To let the water out.
Yeah.
And that's another episode of Sewer, Myth, or Fact.